This is the red variety of Dracaena plants. It is a semi-indoor plant with beautiful pink shades on the brown leaves. In this video, we are going to show you how to grow and take care of the red Dracaena plant. Now, it is the month of December. We will start with these two branches. First, I will make the branch shorter by cutting it with a sharp cutter. I will also remove the extra leaves, keeping a few of them at the top. The soil for potting the branches should be well drained and must contain enough nutrients. I am using a mixture of 40% garden soil, 40% cow dung compost and 20% red sand. This small plastic pot will be used to plant the branches. As you can see, a hole has been made at the bottom so that extra water can be passed. First, the hole should be covered by gravels so that it does not get blocked by the soil. Fill the pots with the soil. Water fully. Make holes on the soil with fingers. I will use this herbal rooting hormone. It will help the branches to root faster. Now put the branches in the holes. I am also planting the branches that don't have any leaves. Keep this pot in full shade and water only when the topsoil becomes dry. After 2 months and 15 days, the plant started growing. A small pup has shown up. Today, I will transfer them to the final pot. For this, I will use the mixture of 50% garden soil, 25% red sand and 25% cow dung compost. This is an 8-inch earthen pot. First, fill the pot a little. Now, let's take the plant out of the plastic pot. As you can see, nice roots have been formed. I will plant the larger plant only. Put the plant at the center and fill the pot with soil. Add water fully and put this plant under full shade for the first 7 days. After that, you can keep the plant in partial shade, where it can get indirect bright sunlight. Your plant will grow happily. Never put it under direct scorching sunlight, otherwise the leaves will be burnt. This is after 4 months and 20 days. I kept this plant at our balcony. It has produced another small plant.
After 9 months. Surprisingly, both of the branches have grown to the same length. after 1 year. This plant grows very slowly, and this thing makes it one of the best indoor plants. In 1 year it has grown only a few feet. But it has grown very healthy. The leaves have got nice pink shades. Just put this plant in front of your house. It will easily attract everyone's eyes. This is one of the easiest to grow plant that we have ever seen. It does not need any extra care. Just water the plant when the topsoil becomes dry. Add liquid fertilizer or organic compost once in 2 months. We also used eggshell tea once in 6 months to supply calcium. You should repot the plant once in a year. If your plant becomes too long, then cut the branches. New branches will be formed soon. We did not find any insect attack or any kind of disease in 1 year. We have reached to the end of this video. If you like the plant, then please like this video and share with your friends. Subscribe our channel to get more of these types of videos. Thank you for investing your time. See you in the next video.